What you're going to learn how to do in this video is to sort the data in a column. So what you want to do is, we have a column. That column has cells that are populated with data. Okay, we want to sort that data. You simply click on the column header, not the header, but the Excel header, which is the letter, in this case, letter A. You want to make sure the Home tab is selected. You want to come over to an icon that is the letter A, the letter Z, and a funnel next to it. When you roll your mouse over it, you should see the words sort and filter. You're going to click that. Two of your first two options. The first one is sort ascending. That's A to Z. So we're going to click that. And as you can see now, all of our content that is contained in column A is now sorted from the letter A to the letter Z as in zebra, alpha, beta, Charlie, delta, echo. We can also sort in the reverse order, or what Excel 365 refers to as descending. You simply follow the same steps, except this time you're going to select sort descending. And now you can see Excel 365 has sorted our content in column A from letter Z to letter A. It's the exact reverse order. And that is how you sort your column data in Excel 365. If you found this video useful, be sure to click the like button. If you would like to be notified of future videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, take a look at some of our other videos that are related to this particular subject.